Grizzly Sport Fishing, Lewes, Delaware, Amigo Dan, and his favorite electrician Bernie. Sidebar, you'll see Bernie in a moment in a picture where I point out the two people that drank the most on the Grizzly during this particular fishing trip, but I digress. Amigo Dan and Bernie have been fishing on the Grizzly for many, many, many years. They love Captain Carey. They love fishing off the Grizzly. I've been on it twice. Both times have been fantastic. Captain Carey puts you on the fish. Looking at the other reviews, we never limited out. But on this particular day, we caught keepers, 44 sea bass, and I think 2 flounder. But great day, great captain. Highly recommended.
A bad day of eating roast beef sandwiches and fishing beats a good day at work.
All right. Some people think that Amigo Dan is only beer and cheesesteaks, but Amigo Dan, sometimes we fish. And there it is. Sea bass. Caught in the Atlantic Ocean. The greens are courtesy of Acme. Thank you, Acme.